Hi, this is my test video for the Toshiba Camileo P10 camera. I have got a review video if you want to check that out. There's my little kitten. Yeah, so it's pretty good graphics. And so you actually see in HD. Please switch to on the settings to 1080 pixels, then you'll see in HD. So there's all my dad's fishing stuff. So yeah, really pretty, quite good quality, quite nice. We'll be doing loads of scooter videos after now. How to air the spine, how to drop in, but I guess that's good enough quality, really. You can see everything quite clearly actually. So that's pretty much it. That's the quality test. That's over. Okay, thank you. Rate, comment, subscribe.